to use precision parts in Dark War Survival. Now, these parts are specialized resources essential for advancing your base beyond level 30. So, the primary use for this is to upgrade buildings beyond that level. So, once your buildings reach level 30, further upgrades require precision parts. So, this applies to key structures such as the watchtower, the fighter camp, rider camp, shooter camp, guild, hospitals. These upgrades are crucial for unlocking advanced features and enhancing your base capabilities. There's also the additional use for Alliance dual events, which are necessary for completing certain tasks in the Alliance dual events, contributing to your Alliance's success. There's also the survival preparedness event, so utilizing precision parts during these events can earn you significant points, aiding in event progression and rewards. So upgrade eligible buildings, so navigate to a building that has reached level 30 and is eligible for industrial level upgrades and initiate the upgrade. So select the upgrade option, which will now require precision parts in addition to other resources. Then you can just go ahead and confirm the upgrade. Ensure you have the necessary precision parts and confirm the upgrade to enhance your building. But that's pretty much how you use precision parts in Dark War Survival. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.